Meal planning and grocery shopping tips. Meal planning and grocery shopping can be a challenging task, but with a little bit of organization and planning, you can make the process easier and more efficient. Here are some pointers for grocery shopping and meal preparation. 1. Make a list. Before you go to the grocery store, make a list of the items you need. This will help you avoid buying unnecessary items and save you time and money. 2. Plan your meals. Decide what you want to cook for the week and make a meal plan. This will assist you in maintaining organization and ensuring that you have all the necessary ingredients. 3. Shop once a week. Try to do your grocery shopping once a week. This will save you time and reduce the number of trips you have to make to the store. 4. Shop in season. Try to buy fruits and vegetables that are in season. They will be fresher, tastier, and more affordable. 5. Buy in bulk. As a result, you'll be able to spend less on groceries. This will save you money and reduce the number of trips you have to make to the store. 6. Look for deals. Be on the lookout for sales and discounts. You'll be able to reduce your grocery spend as a result. 7. Use coupons. Use coupons when possible to save money on items you regularly buy. 8. Stick to your list. Be sure to follow your list when you are at the shop. Avoid buying items that aren't on your list, as they can add up quickly. 9. Choose healthy options. Choose healthy options like fresh fruits and vegetables, lean proteins, and whole grains. 10. Don't shop when you're hungry. Shopping while starving might result in impulsive purchases and poor decisions. Try to eat a snack or meal before you go shopping.